Hey guys, welcome back, and sorry for the delay in the video because I'm posting this after a month, and the reason for that is I was busy in making a candlestick patterns course which we will be launching at the end of this month. So today in this video I want to talk about the risk management, because if you want to be a successful trader, then learning risk management is very important. Many beginner traders, even if they learn technical analysis, even if they learn chart patterns and candlestick patterns, they still lose money in Forex. And the reason for that is they don't manage their risk properly. So learning risk management is one of the key factors of becoming a successful trader. And if you ask me, I would say that learning risk management is more important than learning technical analysis, because technical analysis is important too, but even if you have some technical analysis, good technical analysis, and if you're not managing your risk, there are very good chances that you will still lose. So learning risk management is very important. So let's now go ahead and talk about the risk management. So let's say if I take a one trade with a 1:8 risk to reward ratio. Okay, so I took one trade, took long position or short position, and then I won that trade. I made profit of 1:8 risk to reward. And then after that, even if I lose on seven next trades, even then I will be profitable, because in the first trade I had already taken my 1:8 risk to reward. So now even if I lose on seven trades, the seven next trades, I will still be profitable. Let's see how this works out and break this down. So let's say if I take the first trade, and I'm on every trade I'm risking $50. So in each trade I can either lose $50 or make $400. So now let's say here are the seven trades that I have shown, and on the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth and seventh trade I lose money. I lose all these trades. So till now I am minus $350. But on the eighth trade it goes according to my technical analysis, and I make profit of 1:8 risk to reward ratio. So now on this last trade I made $400. Even after losing on seven trades, I made $400 on eight trades. So now if we sum these up, and as we can see, I'm still $50 in profit. So this is the beauty of risk management. A lot of traders, what they do is when they start losing money in Forex, and because psychologically when we lose, we are tempted to change our strategy. We're tempted to think that this strategy is not working very well for me, so maybe I should adjust it. And there are certain times when you need to adjust your strategy as well, but a lot of times people or beginner traders adjust their strategies or change their strategies after they lose on 2 to 3 trades in a row. But what that leads to is when you take arbitrary lot size, and when you're changing your strategy with every loss you do, then you're messing up your trading setup. You need to stick to one trading plan and try it out really hard, because there are chances that if you are managing your risk properly, like if you're risking a certain amount on every trade, and if the strategy is good, then you will definitely make back your money, as we will see how you can manage your trades and manage your risk with supply and demand indicator. So here, the taking arbitrary lot sizes is also a very bad practice, because when you take arbitrary lot size, your account, it gets messed up. And if you lose on number of trades in a row, then you're more likely to just give up on that trading setup or change your trading setup. Okay, so now let's go ahead and see how it works out with the supply and demand indicator. So let's say if we start from here, and if I talk about this zone, these are rally based off supply zone. So on supply zone, as soon as the zone is formed, we take the short, we put the pending short order. So if I just go ahead and take this short position here, and my stop loss will be around here, and the first thing I'm going to be looking for is breaking even the trade. So if I'm here, I can see that As soon as the zone formed, the market picked up the pending order from this very next candle, and then market came down. So here my 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio was complete. So I break even the trade here when the market is at this level, and then market goes back, and as I can see, the order closed here, but I did not lose any money because I break even the trade as soon as I hit 1-to-1 risk to reward. And if I just go ahead and check here, so this is a drop based rally demand zone, and if I go here and take a long position, similar thing is happening here. As soon as I can, okay, here there's almost 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. So as soon as the zone formed, I place my pending buy order, and then market comes back and picks the order on the very next candle, and then market goes on towards completing this risk to reward ratio of 1:1, and then goes again towards breaking even the trade, as you can see. So on this trade as well, I did not lose any money, I did not make any money because I break even the trade. And that's the beauty of supply and demand zones, because a lot of times you might not make money, but you will also not lose money. And the trades which do go against which do go with your favor, okay, which do go in your favor, you will be making a risk to reward of almost 1:8, 1:10, 15, and we have even traded some zones with 1:40 risk to rewards, as I have shown you in my previous videos. So the next zone formed here. So now till now I am neither in loss nor in profit. As you can see with the supply and demand indicator, I'm able to break even the trades before I do any loss. So if I go to this zone here as well, the market picked up the order from here, and then here the market hits the break even, as we can see. So I did not make any money on this as well. This trade, this drop supply zone, this did go against us, and we lost $50. As I told you in the beginning that we're going to be risking $50 on each trade. So this went against us because we can see the zone formed on these three candles. The market picked up the orders here and then just went ahead and hit the stop loss. So we lost $50 on this trade. And if I talk about this, the rally based drop supply zone, on this as well, the market picked up the orders here because the zone would be formed. Let me just show you. So I would take short position here, and as the zone formed around this candle, my 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio is almost here. So market formed this rally based drop supply zone, then the market picked up the orders and then go ahead and hit the stop loss without breaking on the trade. So we lost another $50 on this trade. Now here on this trade, the drop based rally demand zone, if I would be taking the long position, and let me just go ahead and take that position here. So the first thing that we would do is, as soon as the 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio is hit, the market made this drop based rally demand zone, the market picked up the orders, and as soon as the market picked up the orders and did 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio here, I would break even the trade. Okay, so here my trade is on break even, and now from here the market kept going in the bullish direction. So I am making, let me just drag this. So I made almost here, I made almost 6 risk to reward, 1:6 risk to reward, which is around $300. So on this single trade, I was able to recover the losses that I did on previous trades, and also I am able to profit in $200. So till now we are $200 in profit, even after losing on these 2 trades and breaking even on these 3 trades. And the way we determine our take profit level is very deeply discussed along with the video course bundle that comes with the supply and demand indicator, in that we talk about each strategy in detail and also show you the real-time back testing of the indicator. So when you subscribe to the indicator, you will also get access to that video bundle guide, which includes all the strategies related to supply and demand indicator. So in this trade we made $300. Now let's go ahead and talk about this trade. On this trade we would be taking the short position as well, and if I just go here and place this order here, I would first look for the break even. So market made this rally based drop supply zone, then picked up the orders on this candle, and then here we can see the market going in the bearish direction. So as soon as the market reached here, we would break even the trade, okay? But as it kept going, we did almost 1:8 risk to reward in profit. So let me just go here, and as we can see that this is our trade with 1:8 risk to reward almost, and this profit level is determined according to the strategy. I cannot discuss the strategy here because it's quite long for this video. I will discuss it in our upcoming videos though, and it is also included in our video bundle course that comes with the supply and demand indicator. So on this trade as well, I made another $400. So now you can see that power of supply and demand zones, because even if we lose very minimal amount, but mostly we will be breaking even, and the trades we do make profit on will be very substantial because the risk to reward ratio of supply and demand zones is very good. Okay, so I'm just delete this. So we made $400 here. This one we break even. This one again we make another $150 on this trade as well. So in total, even after excluding these losses, okay, I'm $750 in profit till now. So that's the beauty of supply and demand, and that's the beauty of taking calculated risk. So if I go ahead and look at this, on these 3 trades I break even, but on these next 2 trades I am losing. Okay, I am hitting the stop losses. So if I just change my strategy and go ahead and apply some other strategy, then I would not have made these profits as well in the upcoming trades. So that's the main point of this video, that you should learn to manage your risk properly, because learning the risk management is one of the most important factors of becoming a successful trader. If you want to check out the indicator, I have put the link to the indicator in the description of the video, and also don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Thank you.